Sentek's tapered drill and drop probes allow for an easy and fast installation and do not require the use of a slurry. Our probes come with a tapered auger, which allows for an undisturbed installation. Our probes will save you time as you do not need to wait for the slurry to settle. Using Sentek's direct install method, you can start uploading and using your data immediately. Due to the disturbance created by a slurry, there is an uneven distribution of water flow through the soil profile during rain and irrigation events. By using Sentek's direct install method, you get real-time data, which is accurate and reliable immediately after installation. We take pride in the quality and longevity of our tapered probes, delivering high-quality data season after season. Give your crops the soil monitoring solution they deserve.